Hey guys, it's Kiara from my digital affiliate. Today we on day 17 of making money with Clickbank using my lead gen secrets. All right, so first off and first most, you want to click on the link in the description. Make yourself a my lead gen secrets account. Um, Log in, do all the things. It's very simple to do. Very easy to make your first account. I recommend 5 accounts to start getting your flow going. Because if you start with just one account, you're gonna get very slow. It's gonna be very slow starting. You know what I mean? So you want to get 5 accounts, and get 5 accounts, you can ramp up real quick, real fast, and get a lot of sales. All right. So we only using one account for this challenge here. So hold up. For this challenge here, and but I recommend 5 accounts. The reason why I get sales with one account because I already got 20,000 leads in this account. But yeah, so that's why we only focusing on these accounts. So first thing foremost, like I said, links in the description. Sign in, get it started. Recommended too, so you have 300 leads. Right now, second, what you want to do, you want to come over to Clickbank. There's a link in the description for that as well. Log in, set up your account. I'm pretty sure most of you have an account with Clickbank at this point. Very easy to do, very simple. Anybody can get in. Just put in your information. Boom, you in Clickbank, right? All right, so then you want to go to Marketplace. You want to go on to the Marketplace, right? Now, what you want to do is click on e-business and e-marketing. These are the ones that sell. This is why they signed into my lead gen secrets, to get e-business and e-marketing activities, so to speak. All right. So once you get the e-business and e-marketing here, there are a couple of offers you can go with. I've tried quite a bit of them, and even tried one that didn't get any sales on this challenge here, which was paid online writing jobs. I gotten sales with it before, but for this challenge I couldn't get any sales. So what we're gonna do, so what I would recommend at this point is to completely focus on this product here. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This product gets sales. It gets sales. It gets sales. I don't know what to say. People have made a ton of money, and pretty much everybody say focus on that product. That's what I think anyway. Not everybody don't say that. I think that though. That's why I think everybody would just stick to this product. It ramp up quicker than normally, because we thinking that we run out of emails, let's do another product. But you can also ask them for more emails, or you can switch up the emails that you already have from them and try to make it a little better, or just change the title of the email. It's a lot of stuff you can do. So we're gonna go ahead and click on paying social media here, right here on this link here, so we can go ahead and get the emails here, email swipe. So we're gonna go to the third one here. All right, let's go with this account. So 280 to pick. Copy 280 per day posting YouTube comments. Then you pick. Okay, let's put that in real. Let's just go and get it done. All right. I'm not gonna waste your time here. I'm not gonna drag it out. I'm just gonna do exactly what I do here. But I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I do. First offer. If you've been following along, this is a very similar process. I pick first name somewhere. That's a bad place to put it. I just realized. Let's just pick the first name right here. And comma. There we go. Right. So make sure it's on perfect timing. This. Boom, boom, boom. Get the rest of the email here. We're just gonna copy. Now you can sit there and try to make the email spicy if you want to. just gonna keep it real simple. At a certain point, it's just a numbers game, and like, it doesn't matter what your email. It kind of doesn't matter if your email is different or the same or something. You're still gonna get sales. Because you just have so many people looking at it that somebody is bound to buy the product, like, because you just have so many people, right? It's just gonna happen. So we'll just pick the link right here, secure the apply job, make it bold, make sure country say your area, just to make it congruent a little bit. Bold this. But I ain't gonna bold it. We're gonna leave it like it is. Don't need to bold anything. We don't want to. You know what? I bold it. Whatever. I don't know. I can't decide, guys. This is just the type of stuff you'll do when you write emails and stuff. And trying to decide if you want to do something or not. I'll just go and do it. It'll look a little bit better if I do it. So we're gonna go and knock it out real quick. It don't take but a second. I think it'll look better. If it look better to you, it might look better to them. Just remember that. It'll be alright. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Right. Preview here. This is a very good looking email, right? So we'll just check and see if the link works. Link works. If you really want to check and see if the link works, you could do all of this and then get to the page and see your code at the bottom there to make sure the link works. I'll do it real quick. Alright, click it. I'll stick your email real quick. Now we're just checking to see if the email. We just hit join. Right here, down here. See my code there? Cadita RPG MLGS1. That means that my code. That means that I will get the sale if they buy from here. I just wanted to show you guys the whole process. So that's why I did that. But anyway, that's all there is to that. So it works. It really works. So we just turn it in. We'll send the email here. Now remember. Oh, I ain't did the lead. Oops. Ain't did that yet. All right, that should work. There we go. All right, so the email sent. Remember now, if you have multiple accounts, which I recommend to have at least 5 accounts to do this, send them byte to byte, right there, and get more sales and whatnot. What I want to do, so that's what I do there, and that's how you guys can make money. You can continue on with this process. You know what I mean? To kind of keep it moving. What I want to do, I've been thinking about some stuff here, or some challenges I could do with my lead gen secrets. One that I want to do is I want to try selling another niche product under my lead gen secrets under this account here, and see if I can get a sale with it. But we're gonna take this account to day 30, I believe, and then we'll focus on it. Or maybe I could just kind of, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I just want to see if I can get a sale with it as a challenge to see if it works, I can get it to work. And this is just some talking. See, you don't have to listen to this part here. This is just some talking ideas of what I could do for the channel here. I want to kind of do different stuff. I want to do stuff I haven't done before. You know what I mean? Instead of doing stuff that I know works, I want to try stuff and see if I can get it to work. That's what I've been thinking about doing. I may stop with this at day 20. I was thinking day 30, but I might do day 20. I'm kind of excited to try this challenge out. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I might continue going. I don't know. But anyway, man, the links are in the description. Make sure to click on the link to start your account on My Lead Gen Secrets. At the very least, try to get 2 accounts if you can afford it. Always add on later. You don't got to get all 5 accounts right now. Always add on later. I know a guy that got 7 accounts. He made all his money back in the first month and a half or something like that. He was making his money back already. And it's only gonna get faster for him. He's consistently getting more and more sales. Like I remember him the first 20 days he didn't get no sales. Then from day 20 on, he started getting sales back to back to back. And well, not back to back, but slowly, like every 4 days, then every 3 days, then every other day, or something like that. It's so he's been growing like that. So you can grow very quickly based on how many accounts you have. The more accounts you have, the faster you can build your numbers. And you only need to promote that one product I showed you. That product will be in the link in the description as well, just in case you want to check that out as well, because it's a really good selling product. Seems to be working for a lot of people. All right, and one more thing here. I have a link in the description for Savings Highway Global. Savings Highway Global is a program that lets you save money on bills and stuff, but you can start selling. You can start your affiliate income with recurring income every month. That's the biggest sale for it, and you can start it with only $20. You can start with only $20. You don't need a lot of money to start building up your income. And it works better than Clickbank because every sale is worth so much more, right? Every sale is worth recurring income as well as initial sales. So you can start off that right there as well. It's not free like Clickbank, but you can build your account. You can build your income. So only $20 to start off. You can the more there's 2 different levels. Gold, which you can start with $20, and platinum, which you can start with $100. Now, platinum with $100, you make a whole lot more each sale, and you make a whole lot more recurring. But you can start with gold. You can always upgrade to platinum or something like that if you want to make more money quicker. But yeah, man, that's all I wanted to say. That's in the link in the description as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'm kind of shocked at the numbers. I'm not a big channel or anything like that, but I'm kind of shocked that people are actually interested in watching it. I was thinking I was gonna get maybe 1 or 2 views in these videos. Some of them are getting 50 views. That's a high number for me. Some of them don't got 50 views, which is crazy to me. And on average, I'm getting them around about 30 views on each video, which is great for a channel that just started, So thank you guys for giving me all of this. And so that's why I want to try stuff I haven't tried before with you guys. So yeah, thank you. I wish you guys the best of luck. And be safe out there. Peace.